I'm introducing a brother who's also been with us on this journey, season 1, Mpendulo, head entry-level banking consumer segment and strategy and CVP at Nedbank. Briefly about him, he heads up the biggest portfolio of clients within the retail bank of just under 3 million clients. Education-wise, he has a Master of Business Administration through the University of London. Not Orlando, London. That one, that other side there. Bachelor of Honours degree from the University of Pretoria and named one of Mail and Guardian's top 200 young South Africans. Yay. And that's just a bit. You know, because they give me an entire bio, I'm like, yo, this is a mover and shaker. Ladies and gentlemen, let's show some love. Let's put our hands together for Mpendulo from Nedbank. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey! Welcome again.
Monday ngicela ngena office like that. To my Nedbank team. Sanibonani. Yazin yabona that introduction ne? Ngikhumbuzo omunye umalume wami. Umalume wami akabelieve ukuthi ngisebenza bank. Akabelieve. Every time ngitshela ukuthi okay no malume ngisebenza bank sakha ama products nanani uthi okay keep loans sibone ke sisebenza bank. So ngiyacela le video lena ukuthi I believe ukuthi ngisebenza bank. To the pictures, I think first of all, wonderful, wonderful job. Ngicela sibashaye izandla again. It's not easy. You think you know your business, but it's difficult when money is on the line. But you guys did an exceptional job, and you should be very proud of yourself. Season 2, we say between this partnership with Nedbank and Township Entrepreneurs Alliance, this is season 2. Season 2 often means that things have gone right. Many things end in season 1. Many partnerships don't go on for long. So it is a wonderful opportunity, just as spring has sprung new beginnings for us to start season 2 at Duduza. And ngicela ukuklema kancane, ngikleme le kasi bathi Duduza kancane ne. Niyasazi lesikole izakheni. Niyasazi? Niyasazi esinye isikole esibiza sibonisiwe nase Duduza primary. Niyasazi? Those schools were the first job that I ever had 12 years ago. Best deliver incwadi to those schools. Duduza, Kwa-Thema, Tsakane. So ngicela claim Duduza izikasi lami ningangijikeli ne mangithi ngiyayiclaim. I think today is a very important topic for Nedbank. This partnership that is one that we use for a few things. Number one, T as an organization has made a pledge to help township entrepreneurs to be in townships across the country and support the growth of township entrepreneurs. And for Nedbank, that's a very, very important item on our agenda. Nedbank, not only just talking about the actual support, but being in communities to help these particular entrepreneurs is absolutely key. And the idea, I think, today of mental health, mental wellness, and your finances is something we must never forget. It's actually one thing. A lot of mental health challenges happen because of the financial challenges that people go through. And as an organization, one of the things we'd really like to leave you with is that you are not alone. You're not alone in your journey. You're not alone as an entrepreneur. And this is why we want to be in your community so you understand that there are people to reach out to, there are places to go where you feel you are under pressure, and there are places to go where help can be found. It's not always about the money help. Sometimes it's the help that you need that is beyond the idea of money. And that's why Nedbank is here as a partner. We've been to many, many townships. We've spoken to many, many entrepreneurs. I think the one thing I got out of today is just how different the businesses were that pitched here. And I think that's also something as a community you should be very proud of. One of the things I realize every single time I go to a Township Entrepreneurs Alliance event is the businesses are growing, the businesses are evolving, and the one thing that as an organization like Nedbank, we pride ourselves in is how do we help you solve for your particular issues. We'll be on this journey with T for a very, very long time. But I think as an entrepreneur, you should be well aware that Nedbank has solutions and ideas that can help you. I think very often what happens is we see the bank and we say, the bank doesn't want to deal with me. Or I don't have enough for the bank. Or my idea is not at the point where the bank would want to partner with me. These opportunities today, these platforms should teach you that we want to start and we want to start with you. I look after a business, Nedbank, we call it entry-level banking. But basically in that business, the one thing we try to do is how do we create products, features, benefits that solve for people's everyday life. We focus on the township. That's the focus. Now, not many organizations can say they've taken not only the effort, the resources, and the money towards the township. And that's what Nedbank has done. And so when we sit here on these days, we sit hoping that you are willing to partner with us and not just see us as a bank, not just see us as another building, but see us as a partner that can help you drive your life and evolve whatever it is the dreams of yourself, your family, your stokvel, your business are. And this is why we're here. We hope to see you in many more of these particular events. Season 2 as a partnership between ourselves and T, I think also signals a lot of things for us. The first thing is that we have two organizations that have decided they have the same agenda. Two organizations that have seen success and therefore think the future is also going to be successful for them both. And that I think is very, very important when you look at two partnerships coming together. It's not very often that two organizations can partner and partner for a long time. Everyone's got their own agenda, everyone wants to do their own thing. But ultimately, when you see a successful partnership, it is something to be celebrated. And so we celebrate you coming out. Bakhona balele, namanje balele. But you guys came out because you've decided to take your journey in your own hands. You've decided that the knowledge that is out there is for you. And what we hope on this particular journey with T and with Nedbank is that you are willing to partner with us and that you are willing to come and find solutions with us so we can help you move your lives forward. Ngiyabonga. MC also.
Back on stage, man.
I should know by now.
Yeah. Back on stage. Yeah. All right, please can we put our hands together for our brother from Nedbank. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for coming out and showing T love. It's a great partnership. We're able to do more. And as you said, I mean, the support beyond just money. And we've seen it. So we really, really appreciate it. Hashtag, join us for T, hashtag together, Beke Libeke. So what I'm going to ask, my brother, is you know the drill. Our camera will get a photo of, this is the one that's going on the Sunday Times. So we need your best smile. And then can we get the prize, please? Carol? All right, so we're gonna get you, but you're not going anywhere. You're part of, yeah. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna get a prize for our speaker, and inside his gift from T are products. These are products that we have purchased from our exhibitors who are here today. So very intentional about making sure that the money stays here. We're not buying from out there and bringing it here. The money has got to circulate and stay here. So once again, thank you so much, my brother. You, yeah. Construction, even working at an event.